Hey there, mamas, and welcome back to another video here on Hey There, Mama. And in today's video, we're just gonna do a very simple fridge clean out, clean with me. I am definitely overdue for cleaning this out. I went home to visit my parents for about a week, came back and just got busy with Vlogtober and homeschool and launching my family planner. I just have not made the time to do it, but today is getting done. I had a grocery haul that I posted yesterday. So the day before that is when I actually cleaned out my refrigerator because I knew I was going to do a pretty large grocery haul. So I wanted to get it done. And plus, the kids have spilled juice all in the bottom of my fridge, so I had to get it cleaned out. So that is what we're doing. We're cleaning out our fridge. So if you are cleaning along with me, whatever you might be doing, let me know in the comments below. Leave me an emoji, and let's get cleaning. So when cleaning out my fridge, I always start out by first just getting rid of things. I don't take everything out at one time, but just because I want to keep it cool for as long as possible. So I just go through and take out things, leftovers, things that might be expired, things that I didn't like particularly. So just getting rid of all the stuff that I'm not going to be keeping in the fridge first, and then I start taking out everything else. So as you guys can see, I kind of clean in sections. Again, try to keep my food as cool as possible while doing this process. So I kind of start at the top, work my way down, and then to the things in the door. Thankfully, the things in the door are things that I don't really care, that they are out because there's just like sauces or salad dressings or things like that. But my food, I do want to try to keep it cool, so I try to do this in sections so I don't have to pull everything out at once. So let me know in the comments, like, how do you clean out your fridge? Is there a method to your madness, or do you just kind of just pull everything out at one time? So this is the reason why I really need to clean out the fridge. The mega spill. I don't even know what they spilled, but they spilled something that's stuck in the back of the refrigerator and then caused like some paper to get stuck on the shelf. So yeah, I definitely had to get this, and I'm really loving the way this clean freak is cleaning out this fridge. It smells good and it's cleaning really, really well. What do you guys use to clean out your fridge? I know my mom, she's just soap and water. She doesn't really use any sprays. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to come clean with me today. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Christy and I am a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids, a homeschool mom, and an army wife. And I do a lot more than that. Really, I have a lot of hats that I wear. And I just really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button if you are liking this video. And I hope to see you in the next one. All right, mamas, we are done, and here is a quick review of before of what it started out looking like, and here was what it looks like now. It's so much cleaner and organized, and I am ready to go to the grocery store. Well, by now I have gone to the grocery store, and my refrigerator looks a lot better. So thanks so much for tuning in to today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Is this the after?
Yep.
I came right on time.